Can a vacuum sealed rolled up mattress actually expand from a couple of inches to almost 14 inches? Well, we're going to find out. First, a big thank you to Eshine for sending me this queen size mattress to test and review. As you can see, this is a very tightly wrapped, vacuum sealed mattress. Can this actually be a comfortable mattress? Can it compete with traditional mattresses that cost hundreds more? I am anxious to find out. After you unwrap it, it's best to let it sit for at least 24 hours to fully expand. And as you can see, it's almost fully expanded. On my old mattress, we have to use a topper because it's so uncomfortable. It's not a very comfortable sleep. I can honestly say I am very surprised by how comfortable this mattress is. The mattress has medium plush layers that cradle your body, delivering a floating on a cloud sensation. It also contours to your body while maintaining essential spinal support. Adaptive memory foam relieves pressure points, reducing strain on shoulders and back. Motion isolating technology absorbs movement, so you sleep soundly even with a restless partner. I think this is one excellent product that has really surprised me in how good it feels. I can definitely recommend you check this out because you can save hundreds of dollars and still get a quality, comfortable mattress. Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself.